Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, you must have solved many times crossword puzzle. At university level, you may come across a question of vertical income statement where some information is given and other information is missing. So we are required to use same logic, the logic which we use to solve crossword puzzle, to solve the sum. With the help of given information, we are required to find out missing information to complete vertical income statement. Complete the following income statement for the year ended 31st March 2014. Net sales, question mark, it's not given. Cost of goods sold, question mark, it's not given. Gross profit, it is given 2 lakhs with some information in bracket, that is 25% on sales. Less operating expenses, not given. Operating net profit, not given. Non-operating income, they have said nil, so there will not be any non-operating income. Non-operating expenses are given 40,000. Net profit before tax is also given 40,000. Net profit before tax is given 40,000. Less income tax, 50% of net profit before tax is not given. Net profit after tax is not given. So in the whole question we got only 3 amounts: gross profit 2 lakhs, non-operating expenses 40,000, net profit before tax 40,000. So we are required to work from down to up to arrive at various values. Let us prepare format. Vertical income statement for the year ending 31st March 2014. As given in the question, we have prepared the format. Let us continue with this. Net sales, we don't have the information. Cost of goods sold, we don't have information. But gross profit, it is said 25% on sales, that is 2 lakhs. It means if sales is 100, gross profit is 2 lakhs. Actually, it is given 2 lakhs. If sales is 100, gross profit is 75. So we are required to calculate at gross profit 2 lakh, what will be the amount of sales. At sales of 100, gross profit is 25 and not 75, it is said 25. We are required to do cross multiplication to find out the value of actual amount of sales. So sales is 8 lakhs. Gross profit multiplied by 4, that is 2 lakhs multiplied by 4, we can get net sales 8 lakhs. Gross profit, it is given here 2 lakhs. 8 lakh minus 2 lakhs, we can arrive at cost of goods sold 6 lakhs. Sales minus gross profit, we get cost of goods sold. Net profit before tax, it is given 40,000. Net profit before tax 40,000 and non-operating expenses 40,000. So after deducting non-operating expenses 40,000 from operating profit, we have got net profit before tax 40,000. Non-operating expenses plus net profit before tax. So we got operating net profit 80,000. Gross profit is 2 lakhs. Operating net profit is 80,000. We can find out operating expenses. Gross profit minus operating net profit, that is 2 lakhs minus 80,000. It is 1,20,000. So net sales 8 lakhs minus cost of goods sold 6 lakhs. Gross profit given 2 lakhs. 2 lakh minus operating expenses 1,20,000. We got operating net profit 80,000. There is no operating income. So from 80,000 we have deducted non-operating expenses, which is given in the question 40,000. We have arrived at net profit before tax 40,000. less income tax 50%. So net profit before tax multiplied by 50%. So it will be 20,000. So 40,000 minus 20,000. Finally, net profit after tax, we got 20,000. So in this question, some information was missing, some information was given. So some mathematical logic we are required to apply and complete the question. If someone is perfect in format, such question won't be difficult for him. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.